Hello everyone, I'm Suraj here. In this video, I will show you how to enable the developer option in the Microsoft Word. So on the top hand side, you can see that in the menu bar there is no developer option available there. In order to do that, just click on the file on the left hand side, search for the options. Here it is. Click on it. It will open a pop-up window. Yeah, and just below advanced you can see the customize ribbon here. Click on it. On the right hand side you can see the main tabs here. Just search for the developer option. Yeah, here it is. Just click on it. Click on OK. Okay, now you can see the developer option is enabled for us in the menu bar. Just click on it and you can utilize the properties over here in the Word document. And that's it. You now have the developer tab enabled in the Word. So thank you for watching this video.